channel, and if you are new, welcome, and I hope you guys enjoy our videos. So it is Friday, and today I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple of treats for Valentine's, and I figured why not share it with you guys. That way, if you guys want to do it for your kids, or if you have any parties your kids need to bring some treats to, you guys are able to go ahead and make these easy treats. So why not come and learn how to do these treats with me. All right, you guys, so for these treats you would need marshmallows, the large ones, M&M's, pretzels, mini pretzels, the heart-shaped, candy eyeballs, heart mold, some chocolate, and then red candy melts, Oreo cookies, strawberries, cuties, blueberries, Jello, these reusable plastic cake pop sticks, M&M's, Hershey's Kisses, and these bamboo kebab skewers, whatever you want to call them. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to make is marshmallow pops. So you will need marshmallows, cake pop sticks. I forgot to mention earlier, but you will need also sprinkles and melted chocolate, which I already have right here. For the cake pops, marshmallow pops, you're gonna put the marshmallow and the stick inside. Make sure you don't poke it all the way through. Make sure it's in though. And then you're gonna grab the hot chocolate. Just mix it up real quick. And you're gonna dip it in. You could do it halfway, you could do it all the way. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it half. And then with the sprinkles, I'm just gonna grab a cup, that way the cup catches the sprinkles and they don't go everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour it around. You could do it in the top or in the bottom, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just do it in the sides.
That's so cute.
And then you just place it onto your parchment paper. If you want, you could put it in the refrigerator, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let it dry here for now. So this is what the marshmallow pop is. Alright you guys, so the next treat we're gonna go ahead and do are called pretzel hugs. You are going to need a baking pan, parchment paper, pretzels, M&M's, and Hershey's Kisses, any kind you want. Now what you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to lay out your pretzels on top of your pan. I'm going to do a few. And then you're going to go ahead and grab your Hershey's Kisses. Let me just go ahead and wrap one. Now you guys, these projects are like, they don't need to be perfect. They're for your kids. It's for you to enjoy making them. So don't feel like they have to be perfect and everything. Just have fun. I'm about to eat chocolate. You put all your Hershey's Kisses on each pretzel. You're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. You're gonna preheat your oven to 200, and you're gonna put it in there for 4 to 5 minutes. So it has now been the 5 minutes. I went ahead and put in the stuff into the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out now. Now this is where your M&M's come into place. So you're gonna go ahead and grab your M&M's, and you're gonna put it in the center of the Hershey's Kiss, and you're just gonna push down like that. Ignore my nails. painted them myself last night, and obviously I was pretty tired because they're not the best. This one's a little crooked, but that's fine. All right, you guys, so that's where you have your pretzel hugs. All right, you guys, now the next treat, they are going to be love bugs. And for the love bugs, you will need the candy eyeballs, some sprinkles, red melts, and Oreo cookies.
Red candy melts.
Red candy melts. So for the red candy melts, you're gonna go ahead and melt them. So I'm gonna go. All right, you guys, so the red candy melts are done. Should be good. Now I went ahead and put them in the microwave for about a minute, but every 30 minutes I went ahead and mix it up so that it doesn't burn.
Seconds.
Every 30 seconds. I went ahead and pulled it out so it doesn't burn. All right, so what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna do half of the Oreo, dip it into the red candy melt, like that. You're gonna place it on your parchment paper. You're just gonna do that for the other ones as well. Fine. If you want now, this is more like a preference. You could just keep it like that, but if you want to go a little more decorative, you could add some sprinkles. That's what I'm just gonna do on the chocolate. It's a little too much. That's fine. Okay, and now for the eyes. So that the eyes could stick, I'm just gonna grab one of my pop sticks and I'm just gonna dip it into the chocolate and pour it onto the cookie where I'm gonna put the eye at. That way the chocolate, the eyeball is able to stick on. We have one. Those are the little lip bugs. Aren't they so cute? I think these will go cute for like preschool classes for little kids. These will be a big hit. So these are the lip bugs. All right, you guys, so the next one was kind of, I didn't find this idea in Pinterest. However, I just came up with it myself. So it is Jello hearts. That's what I'm calling it. So all we needed was Jello. I got cherry flavor, just my preference. Heart mold, and this is what it came out like.
It came out good.
It came out right. I felt like it didn't come out that good just because the heart molds are pretty deep. So maybe if it wasn't that deep, I think it would have come out better. This was like,
you just gotta make sure that,
but it's still cute, especially this one right here.
Once they're done in the fridge, you take them out and you put the mold, submerge the mold up to this part in warm water, and then for like a minute, and then you flip it up and it just slide out. There you go. These are the one that she tried to butcher before I came up with the method to take it out. So it's not on me, it's on her.
So hubby to the rescue.
Like always. So much.
And I love them. So for this treat, they are just traditional, more or less, strawberry hearts dipped into chocolate. So these, I have my strawberries. I already rinsed them out. So all you're gonna do is just take out the leaves, stem, whatever it's called. And then you're gonna wanna cut out the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and use a butter knife because I prefer it. I think it's better than a traditional knife. Not as sharp. All right, so now that I have that stem out, just pull it. You're gonna cut down in the middle. All right, in doing so, you're gonna go ahead right here in the middle, you're gonna go ahead and make like a triangle to make the heart shape. So you have somewhat like a heart shape. Let me just make it a little bit more. There you go. And there you have one heart shape. I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the other one. Another heart shape. So this is where your cake pop sticks are going to come into place. Let me grab some more. My husband cut these on the side. They kind of look like a V-neck t-shirt. But you tried. A for effort, right? Alright, so what you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to go ahead and grab the chocolate. On here, and then you're gonna put it on your parchment paper, flat as well, and then you're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. And then for these, they're already in they just came out of the refrigerator, and these you could just do whatever you want. If you want to do the whole thing, or if you want to just do a drizzle. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a drizzle, because I think it looks a little better. Who doesn't love strawberries? Okay, that came out really horribly, but it's fine because your kids are just gonna eat them. Doesn't have to be perfect, moms or dads, if you want to make some treats. But here they are, and you can just put them in the refrigerator again, so the chocolate will harden up. And you're set to go. So for the last treat, they are Cupid kebabs. Cupid kebabs, you will need blueberries, some cut up oranges, cuties, and some strawberries, and skewer sticks. Now with the skewers long, so I went ahead and cut about 4 inches or so off of them to make them shorter. For the kebabs, you're gonna go ahead and start with the blueberries. Obviously, you see there's like a hole already in the middle. So I'm just gonna use that as your reference to poke through. There you go. I'm just gonna bring it all the way down. And then the next one will be an orange. You want this part, I don't know what it's called.
Arched.
The arch part to come facing you. So, like that. You're gonna bring that down. Because essentially this is like the arrow. And then you're gonna go ahead and add another blueberry. And then another orange. Be careful that you will poke yourself. And I just did right there. And then you're gonna add another blueberry. And then one more orange. There you go. So it's gonna be blueberry, orange, blueberry, orange, blueberry, orange. And this is where you're gonna add about 6 blueberries, 5 to 6 blueberries. or whatever you prefer. And then for your strawberry, you're gonna also take off the middle part. So let me go ahead and cut through. And then you're gonna go ahead and cut in the middle. And then here you wanna also make like a heart shape. So you're gonna do like a triangle. And at the end, this is where you poke through. And oops. And there you go. You have your Cupid arrow. All right, you guys. So we finished making all the treats. These are all of them again, just to recap. So you have your love bugs, your jello hearts, which for us ended up becoming a fail, but they don't look that bad now that I think about it. My husband kind of came to the rescue. And then you have your heart pops with chocolate, your pretzel hugs, and then you have your Cupid kebabs, which I think these are my favorite. My kids love fruit, so I know these are gonna be a big hit. And then the marshmallow pops. So let me know what you guys are gonna make for your kids. I still haven't decided if I'm gonna do like one each day as next week comes, because Valentine's is on Friday. So I could start making them on Sunday or Monday, depending what exactly I wanna do. Or should I do like a buffet, a treat buffet on Valentine's Day? Let me know what you think I should do, and let me know what treats you're gonna make for your kids. Alright, and if you guys like videos like these, please give it a like. That way I know to make future ones. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to press that subscribe button. Bye!